Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something I'm super passionate about. Sustainable fashion. We're going to be looking at how to stop wasting money on clothes and build a wardrobe that's good for the planet and your wallet. Get ready to revolutionize the way you think about your clothes, because we're about to unlock the secrets of looking fabulous without the guilt. Let's get started. Okay, first up, let's talk about thrifting. I am obsessed with thrifting. Seriously, it's like a treasure hunt for unique and affordable pieces. You can find incredible vintage items, designer steals, and everyday basics, all at a fraction of the original price. Plus, think about it. When you buy secondhand, you're giving clothes a second life and keeping them out of landfills. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Now, I know it can be tempting to buy into fast fashion trends, but trust me on this. Investing in high-quality, timeless pieces is a game changer. Think about it. A well-made blazer or a classic pair of jeans will last you for years, if not decades, if you care for them properly. You might be spending a little bit more up front, but in the long run, you'll save money because you won't constantly be replacing worn-out clothes. Plus, you'll look effortlessly chic. Let's be real, we all have those clothes in the back of our closets that we never wear. Maybe they don't fit quite right anymore, or they're a little outdated. But before you even think about tossing them, hold on. This is where the magic of DIY and upcycling comes in. You can turn that old t-shirt into a trendy crop top, transform those jeans into stylish cut-offs, or even use fabric scraps to create one-of-a-kind accessories. It's a fun, creative way to give your clothes a new lease on life. Chapter 4, the capsule wardrobe, your secret weapon for effortless style. Have you ever heard of a capsule wardrobe? It's a total game changer. Basically, it's a curated collection of essential clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create countless outfits. We're talking about versatile pieces like a white t-shirt, a black blazer, a great pair of jeans, a little black dress, the classics. The beauty of a capsule wardrobe is that it simplifies your life and reduces decision fatigue. Plus, it helps you create a cohesive and stylish wardrobe without buying into every single trend. Okay, let's talk about clothes care. It might seem basic, but trust me, taking proper care of your clothes can significantly extend their lifespan. First things first, always read the care labels. I know it sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people skip this step. Different fabrics require different care methods, so make sure you're washing and drying your clothes correctly. And when it comes to drying, try air drying your clothes whenever possible. It's gentler on the fabric and it saves energy.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Okay, let's be real. We all have those special occasions that call for a new outfit, but before you go on a shopping spree, have you considered renting? Seriously, renting clothes has become so much easier and more accessible in recent years, and it's a fantastic way to rock a stunning outfit without breaking the bank or contributing to fashion waste. There are so many online platforms now where you can rent designer dresses, statement jewelry, and even handbags for a fraction of the retail price. Last but not least, let's talk about the power of supporting sustainable brands. Now, I know that sustainable fashion can sometimes come with a higher price tag, and it's not always accessible to everyone. But there are definitely ways to be more conscious about the brands you support. Do your research, look for brands that are transparent about their manufacturing processes, use eco-friendly materials, and prioritize ethical labor practices. And remember, every little bit counts. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found these tips helpful and feel inspired to create a more sustainable wardrobe. Remember, sustainable fashion isn't about sacrificing style, it's about making conscious choices that benefit both the planet and your wallet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable fashion advice. See you next time.